Part two.
No, it's not. I told him I wanted to charge my phone. I ain't been hitting nobody. It wasn't nobody. I don't think nobody's dead. What you talking about? And I put my phone in my bag. Yeah, that's my stuff. To tell you that the man just want to arrest me for something. Oh, you motherfucker. You motherfucker. No, it's fuck you motherfuckers.